Doamne, okay, we ready? We ready. Captain's vlog. Stardate 40.328.105.E1006.507. Good morning, people, from Flying J, Sherwood Park, Edmonton. Today we're gonna have a short day, about 5-6 hours to drive because of the hard work we put yesterday. It's around 2 o'clock. I slept about 6 hours and a half, so we're good to go. Saskatoon, here I come. Doamne Dumnezeul meu, sunt stau înaintea feței tale cele sfinte și mă trusesc nevrăcia, neputința și sărăcia mea ce mare. Rugăciune la începerea lucrurilor. Doamne Iisus Hristoase, Fiul unul născut, al Tatălui cel fără de început, care Sfânta ta El există. Whew. I'm trying to drink half a liter of water just as I wake up. I'm gonna tell you later why. Ooh. So it doesn't make noise. A little bit lazy, but you get the point. Shopping done. What do we have here? Some blueberries, blackberries, apples. What else? Omega-3, magnesium, and some ointments for truck driver problems. So that's my shopping done for today. Trying healthy shit. I want to say I want to fly in Japan and buy pizza, so kudos to me. And now 5 hours to Saskatoon while I'm waiting to get Elog back. Hey Max, you ready? I am. Let's finish this. Rest of the meal for today, yummy. And that's the cockpit. Okay, we ready? We ready. Oh shit. Have to make a right here. So why do I drink water first thing or one of the first things in the morning? Well, after sleeping all night 6, 7, 8, 9 hours, in my case I think I have an average of 5-ish hours, 5.5. Your body dehydrates, so you need to drink water. So usually one of the first things I chug like a bottle of water, half a liter. I don't speak ounces or whatever the fuck is in North America. I do not know. Don't bother with it. 500 milliliters. And I feel better. And also chugging like a bottle of water brings back memories from chugging other shit in high school and university. In my case, vodka, but here in North America, I presume it's that what do you call it? You call it beer here, but I think it's juice more like it when it has 3% alcohol. Anyway, so that's one thing. It's very good for hydration first thing in the morning.
Hello, Mr. Officer.
Also, I'll link the study below. There are multiple studies. All of them say about the same thing, that is very good to drink water in the morning. It enhances your cognitive function. So, and also the study that I'm going to link below is from 2020, so during the pandemic or whatever they call it. And I feel more fresh after drinking water because I don't know, maybe the water, like I also drink it cold or whatever cold it is. So I get a jump from it. I like it. I hate the taste of coffee. I don't drink coffee. Also, I don't understand the logic. You had a good night of sleep, so in theory you should be rested. Why do you need energy from the coffee? That for me doesn't work. I drink coffee when I'm driving long nights or whatever, and I need to stay awake. Anyway, another thing that the water does, I think in the study it says 200 milliliters or above. It helps digestion, so kind of the same stuff as caffeine. Of course, this is not applied for all the people in the world, but a high percentage of them, according to the study, it will be like that. And last and but not least, I don't think I need it at the moment, but it promotes healthy skin. So that's another like side quest of an advantage of drinking water. So that's one reason why I drink water first thing in the morning.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
In theory, I have to drink 2 liters of water per day, but that's hard for me. shift over here in Saskatoon. Look at that big bumper, holy crap. Just going inside Flying J, refreshing myself, and then hopefully I edit this vlog and we start something special. Hopefully see you tomorrow or something. Bye bye.